Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? Good morning. Is this at morning time? I don't even know. Yes, I am a little bit late. What difference does it fucking make? I'm here. Nah. Y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. So here we go. I just want to talk about pussy maintenance today. And what is pussy maintenance, ladies? I don't know what the fuck that is. That means you have to maintain the pussy. And how the fuck do you do that? You need to take care of it. Please go to the doctor. That you have to find you a good gynecologist. Just because you have a gynecologist doesn't mean that you're. See, I am an energyologist. I told y'all this shit before. Like, I base everything off of how I motherfucking feel and also the energy that's in the room and how the energy that's coming off somebody. So all of my doctors, like, I try to first there's an exchange. If there's no exchange, whatever, we can't communicate. Oh, this ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Or you know, like there's some white doctors. You know how they try to motherfucking act. Think that they the bitch. I had this one Hispanic. Let me tell you about this bitch. I had this one Hispanic doctor. Like, if this bitch was the gynecologist and she was talking to me like bitch, like I'm in a motherfucker, like I'm new to this, like I'm a motherfucking third grade, bitch. Wait a minute, hold on, wait, hold on. Now you trying to belittle me, like chill. First, I reported the bitch, then I like got rid of her, like she was no longer my doctor anymore. So I'm saying all that is to say is that you have to have like a clear communication with them, and the vibe has to be right. You need to be able to talk to them about whatever's going on with you, whatever you are feeling at the time. You know what I'm saying? You got bumps on your pussy leaking. Like, it could be all types of shit. Whatever the fuck is going on with your shit. You have to be able to motherfucking share this shit and figure this shit the fuck out. And another thing y'all gotta do all the time is like, is give your pussy. You have to always touch your pussy and smell that shit. Like, bitch, I always smell my pussy. I'm a pussy smelling bitch. Not no bitch, don't play yours. My shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can know if it's off. You said we can get infections and stuff like that. A vagina is an open fucking wound. You understand what I'm saying? Which is to be treasured. Do you understand what I'm saying? Treasure your shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, always, like you have to smell it. And everybody, I'm assuming everybody. I don't know what everybody's pussy smell like. Cause I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I know when like something is off with my vagina, like just a smell, like, and then I'm like a dog and shit, and whatever animal that also have a really keen smell, sensitive smell. I smell every fucking thing, like thing. You understand what I'm saying? And also, like, do you like to wax or not? Like, pussy maintenance. That's also too like keeping like a nice little trim. Now, mind you, depending on who you fucking, cause some guys like a bush. You know what I'm saying? And if he like a bush, let your shit grow out. Now, the one thing I'm not gonna do for a motherfucker, I'm not boiling my pussy. My pussy cannot be boiled, honey. No boiled pussy over here. My pussy is little. I got a little ass pussy. That shit, but like that be, that's how big that shit is. Like, no. When I cut, once I did that shit for this somebody, whatever the fuck, and bitch, I looked at like a motherfucking girl in the motherfucking fourth grade. I was like, oh, hell no. This guy got the pedophile pussy going on. Like, oh, no, honey, we're not doing that. I can't do that. So, mm-mm. But yeah, just make sure, like, if you into that, or if he's into that, whatever you into, because it's your shit. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to oblige a man, whoever you're dealing with at the time sexually, and if you want, your shit to be shared. And also another cute thing, like if y'all can do it together, like have that moment you can lean your leg back and push that shit up and have, oh yeah, this is one of mine. Try this is real nice by real. Stop fucking playing with me. And have him shade that shit. You know what I'm saying? You can do all that. But yeah, pussy maintenance is important. Make sure that you definitely do your annual motherfucking checks. And also for my ladies that are 50 and above, I am that. I'm 52 years old. Like, I noticed my pussy have changed. I'm like, and then I was talking to my doctor. She was like, as you get older, just like a man's God damn it, y'all got something in my fucking eye. Like, a man's balls, like them shits just hang and drop when they get a certain age, whatever the fuck. Just like a woman's vagina, like all the folds and shit that's there, like inside the vulva, that shit is it's no longer there no more. Like it's fucking. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? And then you gotta take a mirror and look at that shit and all that. Like it's important that you know your vagina. Like sit back, grab your a motherfucking camera. You use your camera, whatever the fuck, mirror, and look at your shit. Get your shit the motherfucking sniff test. Have a great relationship with your gynecologist. And also, you know, my black people, y'all know like these motherfuckers don't really be liking us like that sometimes. And if you feel that type of way, you know what I'm saying, then scratch them. Find you somebody else. You understand what I'm saying? So that's the point. Oh, and another thing, before I fucking go. Do y'all let a motherfucker, ladies, would y'all let a motherfucker who like, would y'all let a motherfucker eat your pussy and his teeth is like, and his breath is like, I'm just saying, like, I just see, not this man was trying to holler at me because we was doing business together, but I'm always in people's mouths and shit. And I was looking at this man's mouth and I was just like, in my mind, I was like, because you don't always think of sex. Who the fuck let you lick they pussy? Or even put your tongue in their ass? Who? You know what? His teeth was fucked up. And it was like a whole, now, you know what I'm saying? I got two missing over here, you know what I'm saying? Because I am a candy chocolate person, whatever, like when I was much, much younger. So anyway, all his shit was missing. All the shit was missing. And these motherfuckers was this way at the top and the ones at the bottom was going that way. And the motherfuckers had brown motherfucking dots. Bitch, wait a minute. And yellow. Do y'all let these motherfuckers eat? Don't be letting them motherfuckers. And even if you want to, you feeling somebody like that, bitch, get you a dental dam. Like, wait a minute, hold on. You gotta have your bewitching bag, bitches. We're gonna talk about that at my workshop in February. It's going down in New York City. I'm gonna let y'all know. So hopefully y'all come through, show your support and all that old good shit. We have to have these conversations about sex and human sexual behavior from our motherfucking perspective. I'm talking to black women only. Don't fucking play with me. Like grab a motherfucking dental dam and lay that shit on your pussy and don't let that motherfucker put no. Do y'all know the dirtiest part? What's the dirtiest part of your body? I know by you dump up. I ain't gonna go. Okay, you know I'm harsh. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop being harsh. People would probably say I don't know. They would think a pussy or something, but no, honey, no. Pussy is self cleaning. No, it's not that. It's and everyone has one, and it's not your asshole. It's your mouth. Is the dirtiest motherfucker. It goes all types of bacteria. Then if you nasty motherfuckers don't brush and floss your motherfucking teeth or visit the dentist, you're nasty. Let me stop being hard. Go to the dentist. Take care of your teeth. So just just be mindful of shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So take care of your pussy, ladies. Take care of it. It's yours. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna talk about like how to keep it tight if your pussy all loose and wide like a double motherfucking garage door. You know what I'm saying? If your pussy wide like that, I'm just saying. Maybe you fucking a motherfucker with a big ass dick. Ow. Fucked a whole bunch of motherfuckers with a big ass dick that made your pussy wide like a motherfucking 2-lane goddamn garage. Show y'all how to tighten that shit up. But anyway, y'all have a great day. I'm your girl Rill. My name is Rill. And I am an intimacy coach / seductress. And then I have a service called Seductive Art where I focus on visual stimulation because y'all know I'm a designer. This is one of my pieces. And not only in the bedroom, and also the personality that goes with each look in the bedroom. And also like outside the bedroom. Because when you look good, I know it's a cliche, but it's true. When you look good, you feel good. And just selecting clothes for your body type to where you look. You look and feel fabulous, darling. We want you to feel. So that's visual stimulation. Then we have real sex talk. Whatever the topics on the table for that evening, that's what we talk about. And ESS, which is also part of it, which is it's a 3-part jump off. Which is ESS, which is erotic, social, and seductive dance. I'm also available for hire and birthday parties, girls' nights out events, bachelorette parties, and shit like that. yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching. If I resonate with you, which I know I motherfucking do, stop playing yourself. Hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. We have to have this conversation about black people. We got to have this conversation about sex and human sexual behavior. We cannot not. Before I go, me and my mother was on the phone and we was talking. I was telling her something, we was talking about sex or whatever the fuck. And so she was like, "Where is Sean?" And I was like, he's in his room. Now, I live in a 2-bedroom apartment. So she was like, he can hear you. I'm like, me and my son talk about sex. Like, I mean, like, and plus he know I have this service. He been knowing that shit since he was little. That's how long you know what I'm saying? So, no, I was an exotic dancer. No, I worked as a host at a swinger club. Look, my son motherfucking knows his motherfucking mama. And I give it up real all day, every day. But my mother was just like, oh my God, we can be, you know what I'm saying? But and I don't know if you that type of parent or whatever the fuck. See, that's why we gotta have these conversations because we are all sexual fucking beings. There's no need to be hiding and ducking and diving and all this old dumb shit. You understand what I'm saying? So look, you already know what to do. Like I said, if I resonate with you, hit that, click that. I appreciate that. Y'all know I always finish off like this. Be generous, be kind, be gentle, be apologetic. Apologetic. I said that word wrong. Fuck y'all. Be on time, be on point, be courteous, be kind, be a part of the community, be a part of the solution, be clean, be aware of your surroundings, be a great person in any type of relationship, mother, father, brother, sister, cousin, wife, girlfriend, side piece, whatever the fuck. Be good at that shit. Be I don't know, just be happy, be in good spirits. You're spurred. I got that from that dude from Catwoods. He's funny as shit. He was saying you're spurred. Your spirit has to be so, oh my God. Be in good spirits. Be of goodwill. Be just great at what you do. You know what I'm saying? Be passionate. And most and motherfucking importantly, be motherfucking you. Y'all have a great rest of the day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.